Good morning. I'll be back in a few minutes. Hello, Leopard, Perry, Roro Longlegs, Master Takiari. Hey there. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back in a few minutes. You guys are awesome. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 4 of this trade day evaluation. Leaf blower guy is back, which is just shocking. He's here like once a week. I mean, how many things can possibly be out there? At least he's not under my window. For now. Am I bullish or bearish for the day? Neither. I just react to what's happening. Doesn't matter if we go up or down long term. I go for the small moves in between major structural changes. Thoughts on trade day funded sim account? Very cool. That's awesome. For the first 5,000 of profit that you make, you can choose to be on a funded sim account, except there are no withdrawal restrictions. You can take out any money that you make. My God. You guys hear this? It messes up the mic. It makes it sound funny, but it basically only picks it up when I start talking. Distorts the crap out of my voice. Oh my God, there's 2 of them. They're multiplying. Run. Why have 1 leaf blower when you can have 2, you know? But yeah, the funded sim account is really good because you don't have to pay for market data yet. Once you make 5K in profit, then you're forced to get put on the live account. And you can choose. You can either go on the funded sim account or you can go straight to the real account. But it obviously makes more sense to go sim. That way you can avoid that market data cost until you have to pay for it. Trying not to be distracted. That's okay, we don't start for another couple minutes anyways. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. Thanks for watching or listening in the background, whatever it is that you do. Oh my God. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't be doing that. I need my portfolio to return to break even. Go the other way. Big dump. Big old dumpy. No news today. At least, not when I trade. Nothing at 9:45. I think there was something at 10. It's almost straight down. $75 candle in 20 seconds. This is very atypical. Do I always start at 9:45? No, I start at 9:33. But usually I end up waiting a couple minutes. I'm certainly gonna wait for something to change here. Although technically that doesn't really make sense. It's still tradable. But I'd rather err on the side of caution. Err. It's a lot of red candles in a row. I think it's even more than the amount of green candles we had in a row a few days ago. Or maybe that was last week, when I said I'd never seen that many. This might beat that. Should have sold at 345. Yeah. 15 points for you, Snow Leopard. It's awesome. Can never catch the whole move, so it's good. Thank you, Middle Earth. What is this? Ski slope. Double diamond. I wonder if Dylan has been catching this. Looking forward to seeing his video from today. I bet he did. What's the difference between the trade day funded live and the funded sim account? When you pass the evaluation, you can make a choice. You can either go straight to the funded account, or you can go to the funded sim account. The advantage of going sim is that you don't have to pay for market data or anything. You keep the no withdrawal restrictions rule. Everything's the same. And once you hit 5K in profit, you are then forced to go onto the live account. It's basically just a way of avoiding market data. It's very cool. And once again, you don't have to do that. It's a choice. I would obviously choose the sim account, funded sim, after. I think that makes more sense. It's exactly the same, except you don't have to pay for data. Very cool. This is price action where it's very easy to let my gamble goblin take over. So I'm being patient. Waiting for the bottom. No, I don't know what I'm waiting for. I could get started now. It's just I need to avoid the temptation of just trying to go for low of day break or some type of pivot break. Even though today might be the exception where that actually works. And today is that exception. But that's okay. Yeah, if you make 5K and then are transferred to the live account, that money transfers. You keep it. All right. To the tick. Another low of day break. Yes. Well, thought about selling, but I did not. Tough day for me. Tough action, but it's not over yet. Ow. Oh, spiked up right as I entered. The entry was supposed to be like down here. That's unfortunate. Unlucky. Oof. Yeah, that trade would have worked if not for that big spike right as I entered. Would have gotten the 5 points there. Ow. Wrist keeps cracking. Ouchie. Respecting the max daily loss. Not done yet though. I think I'm finding that I don't do well in a clear direction. More of a consolidation guy. Hesitated on buying. Whoa. Another. Another terrible entry. supposed to be down here. Wow. Maybe I do need to set up hotkeys. That's another trade that would have worked. Ooh. Did not do well, but still some good learning lessons. I now know that this is obviously not my strength. It's very atypical though. Let's take a look at yesterday's morning. There we go. That's more like it. Need to do some real super scalping. Not waiting so long. Because when I wait, I'm inevitably going for setups. And this is not about setups. Might not be a good idea, but I think I'm going to continue trading. We'll see how that goes. I know this is terrible logic, but I'm down on the eval. So worst case scenario, I just reset it. That's terrible thinking. But let's just give it a go. It's a sim account. Should we do it? Say yes. I'm doing it. Let's have some fun. Hey Dylan, no, I did terrible. Currently down, so I'm just gonna keep going. Worst case scenario, I'll just reset the eval. Which obviously is not smart thinking. But I'll save the super good risk management for when I'm up. Oh, this is shocking performance. Almost bottom ticked. Maybe we can get this pivot break. We're just having fun now. Why do I hate the downtrend? It's less about, it's not like I don't like it, it's just I'm not very good in direction, I guess. So I will internalize that lesson, and then we will trade accordingly. Now I'm just gonna have some fun. Bad trade. Good trade. Bottom ticked. Going goblin mode. Yeah, may as well. We're down. I'd rather just reset the evo. I'll be more responsible once I'm up. We may as well have some fun. It's okay. Goblin mode activated. That's rude. RIP discipline. It's okay, guys. I'll just reset the eval. In a blaze of glory. Hey, OPS, thank you. Happy to hear that. We've got like 20 points left on the eval. Let's have some fun. Maybe even add a contract to a winning position. Wouldn't that be something? Let's give it a go. Tomorrow we will be starting a brand new eval. It's okay. I was at break even anyways. What have I learned today? That it's okay to have some fun. I will not be doing this when I'm up on the eval. Don't you worry. Imagine. This is the last one. Yeah, I know this is bad. I'm just gonna reset the eval. Don't worry, guys. This is not something I will do when up. Reinforcing bad behavior? No, life is not black and white. This is not something I would do if I was up. Yeah, may as well. New eval starting tomorrow. That video I've been hinting at might take a little bit longer than usual. I said within a week, like a few days ago. It is definitely not going to be done by then. This is very bad. It's on purpose. I don't mind. I'm just gonna buy a reset. I'm not sitting here pretending like this is what you're supposed to do. Don't worry. My brain, in the way I think, is not binary. I can afford the reset, so I'm just gonna do it. Bro, you are revenge trading? Yeah. I know. But I can just start over. This is an eval, yeah. Oh, should we add another? think it'll stop me out like right here. Yep. All right, starting a new eval tomorrow. If you want to talk about reinforcement, that reinforces good risk management. Proves that you can't just go and then make it all back. Up 38 points today, that's amazing. I'm going to do some important notes about this. And this is just some good old fun. Resets are cheap. I don't mind. GG. New eval tomorrow. $100 for a reset. That should keep the Goblin at bay for a little while. Much cheaper to satisfy the demons by doing that than it is to trade my own money. After these trades, I was down about 400 on the account. So just reset to break even or have some fun. Well, do both. If you're like sad about this or disappointed, it's okay. You're seeing it from your perspective, not mine. $100 like 1 month of rent here? That's crazy, Perry. I pay $2,000 a month for rent. Actually, a little more now. Once my lease renews. Yeah, rent is crazy. Alright, let me do a little recap for the video. Obviously, this was just for fun. Reached a point where I just said, well, I may as well just reset the account since I'm down. This is not something I will do when I'm up. That is a promise. Hopefully. No, but seriously. I would not do this. I can afford a reset. It's not a big deal. May as well have some fun, reset the account, and start again. Oh, that's funny. Check that out, guys. Went 6 points back up and then down. That would have put me like plus a few hundred on the day. That's funny. So you entered here. 17 and 12. We'll just say to 75. Yeah, so that would have been like 60 points on 2 contracts. Funny. That's why gambling is not an edge. It's taunting you for letting the Goblin out. Yeah, that's a good lesson for the Goblin. That he's incapable of satisfaction. It's actually called a near miss, almost win. It's what casinos use to activate the reward center in your brain when you're gambling. All those machines, they typically will hover over whatever thing you're doing. It'll sort of lean towards what would make you win, almost go there, and then go back. It's all coded to do that. It's how they hook you. You should Google it. Near miss, almost win. It's pretty interesting stuff. Neuropsychology. Was I holding trades today? No. And it would have been the only day where that would have worked. The type of trading that made me do poorly would have worked today. But that's okay, because today is an outlier. I might be better off just sitting this out and then taking more trades when it's consolidating. I think consolidation is what I'm good at. I'm not good at direction, which is okay. Have to identify that somehow. And now I have. Take some mistakes to learn lessons. So, new reset tomorrow. Yeah, the price action is good for pullbacks, but I'm eliminating low of day and high of day breaks from my trades, so not good action for me. But now I know that. So I'm going to add a lot of stuff to my notes. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. Don't do what I did. It's a good lesson. And a fun way to do it. We're going to start tomorrow on a new evaluation. Don't be like me. Don't use the evals to do that. Save your money. Don't give firms a lot of money. Don't be like me. Once again, another reminder. Not doing that when I'm up in the eval. Risk management over everything. Sometimes you just gotta have a little fun. It's okay. Trading doesn't have to be so serious. It's not my own money. Start fresh tomorrow. All right. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate you watching the stream. And I hope to see you tomorrow. All right. Bye-bye. Take care.